and welcome to Derek McGuire's Week 10 coding assignment video. This week we were instructed to create a website that has Bootstrap style CSS and uses the document object model, the DOM, to create a way to add rows to a table. So here I have a playlist creator. I've got the number on the playlist, which was kind of tricky to program, the artist, the song, and the YouTube link. So had to create an HTML page that you can see here. I got the link to the Bootstrap, which imports the library for the CSS, and then I've got the body. Div class card creates this kind of rounded rectangle with rounded corners, which is so stylish now. And then I've got the different divs to have rows and columns. Essentially, this is a row from artist to song to YouTube link, and then the artist, song, YouTube link are all columns, and then the row for the submit. And then we've got an actual table down here with the headers, and because the table is a parent, we're going to add the child rows, table row, table data, which would be TD, but it's going to add, I think it adds TDs. But anyway, the JavaScript, which is running here, week 10 assignment JS, setting up the variable, the ID, to equal 0, and then you write the document get element by ID to add, and then an event listener when it clicks, and it runs this arrow function that contains all this code. You get the parent element of list because that's where the table has the ID of list. And by the way, the labels are here, artist, song, YouTube link, and then the IDs are here, artist, song, YouTube. I've got placeholders here to show an example of what the data should be. So then here we've got the row insert. So row, table, insert row, ID plus 1. So 0 plus 1 because it should be 1 because the 0 row of the table is actually the header here that has the number, artist, song, YouTube link. And then I'm going to do inserting cells. So it goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 down, and then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 across. I've got the row 0 is going to be your first column, 1, 2, 3 for the fourth column. I got the ID here, and then it clears the text fields here every time I hit submit, which adds the rows. Okay, so just to show this working, I'm going to do Mr. Kitty After Dark. Hold on here. I'm just going to copy and paste this stuff to save time. After Dark is the name of the song, and the YouTube link, this is a real link, by the way. Submit, and here you go, 1, Mr. Kitty After Dark, okay? So then Hall & Oates, I can't go for that. Notice how the fields have cleared here, and I'm running the HTML that has the JavaScript embedded in the script tag as the source. And these aren't links. That would be cool to link those, but that's probably coming next, or maybe not, I don't know. If I add an anchor for the HTML, I could probably do that, and maybe even just make it a YouTube button or something. But anyway, that's that right there. I've got 3 on my playlist now, and as I added them in order, by the way, Mr. Kitty was the first one, Hall & Oates was the second one, Sade was the third one, Hold On to Your Love, great song. This was adding the +1 and then incrementing in the ID and then adding 1 because it was displaying 0, 1, 2 when I first started doing that, but just adding 1 makes it so that your first one isn't a 0 because you don't have a 0 on your playlist, but it does have 0 for the ID according to how the code works. So that is my week 10 video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great week.